Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing, you all can see I'm playing with my hair already, so you already know this is going to be a hair tutorial. Yes, this is a wash and go, but I kind of did like little rubber band method that you all are doing all over YouTube. Well, this is my little touch, my little twist to the little rubber band method. If you guys are interested in this cute hairstyle, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. You know what I'm about to say. If you all are not new here, you already know that I'm about to tell you guys to stop, subscribe, and put on your post notification bells so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. So if you all can tell, I am going to be attempting to do a rubber band hairstyle. I'm not even sure what to call it. I've seen quite a few videos all over YouTube on this style or how to achieve this style. I'm going to add my own little twist to it. I already have my hair LOC'd and I have it in the direction that I want the style to go. So all I'm going to be pretty much doing is applying the rubber bands and styling the hair. So there's not going to be much talking. I'm probably going to do a voiceover, so I'm going to play some music and let you guys just see how I'm going to achieve this style. Alright guys, so if you all did not see in the last clip, this is what I decided to do with my rubber band method, just to give the hair a little fun look to it. Anyway, I'm going to do a wash and go on the remainder of the hair, and I am using Extreme Wetline Gel again. I love this gel, so I'm hoping I get the same results as before. I've done most of it off camera because you all have seen me do a wash and go plenty of times. But anyway, the rest of the hair is going to flow this way. I'm gonna let it air dry, and then we're gonna be back in the morning to see how this turns out. Midnight, and I gotta be right back up for church in a few hours, so we're gonna hurry up and get this out the way. All right, you guys, it is actually the following day. My hair is not dry. I had to get up this morning to diffuse it, but we're going to take it off so I can show you guys how it's looking. I think it came out pretty cute. You guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, so moment of truth. I'm looking in the mirror as I'm taking it off. This is how it's looking, guys. So I tried to diffuse it and give it some volume. I'm feeling it, y'all. Oh, it feels so clean, so moisturized. Y'all check out the little detail over here on the side, okay? But I'm feeling it, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. I already laid the edges and stuff off camera. I caught myself trying to stretch the curls to give it some length, but it is like 70% dry, okay? And that's only because I got up this morning and diffused it. My silly self slept with the bonnet on, okay, y'all? And I don't know, for some reason, I feel like no air was getting through this bonnet, so my hair was drenched when I woke up this morning. When I left off camera yesterday, that's how my hair felt when I woke up this morning. So I had to get up an extra hour early to diffuse the hair. But I'm loving it, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. What I am gonna do though, is, even though it smells good already, I'm gonna add some of this kukui oil, anti-frizz hydrating oil to the hair. So this is gonna help with frizz, even though I don't mind frizz. It's gonna help with the humidity. I hardly have any left because I'm obsessed with this. You guys, look at that. Like, I hardly have anything left. So we're gonna try to get out of here where we can. This is how we looking, y'all. All right, guys, so this is the hair. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's so fun and playful and summer-like to me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. Please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do a video. And until my next one, I'll see you all later. Bye.